This model is of our intestinal wall. So up at the top would be the space, the lumen in the center of the tube of the intestine. This is where food would sit. This structure here is called a villus, and that villus is designed to increase the surface area within the small intestine so that we can absorb more stuff. If we look inside each of those villi, we see a series of capillaries. So the red and the blue capillaries are going to be cardiovascular capillaries, but then the green capillary here has a special name. It is a lymphatic capillary. It's called a lacteal, and its job within the small intestine is to absorb fats. Also, in the wall of the small intestine, I see this large sort of nodule of tissue. It's dark blue on the inside. This is a Peyer's patch, and that's a really highly concentrated area that contains lots of B cells, T cells, macrophages. It's a place where our immune system can interface with anything that's crossing the mucous membrane within the small intestines. I see other lymphatic vessels running throughout the mucosa and submucosa, and those are all going to be green. Okay, while we're looking at models, I just wanted to quickly point out that on our torso model, down in our thigh region, I see some nodes, and these nodes are all going to be inguinal nodes. They're filtering lymph from the lower limb. And then I also wanted to take a little walk over here to our hearts and notice that we also have nodes on our heart models. So any of these nodes would be located within the thorax, and we're going to call all the nodes within the thorax thoracic nodes.